Hello, and thank you for your continued confidence in APSEZ's growth trajectory. What began as a vision to build an integrated transport operator is now a powerful growth engine, especially with international ports EBITDA soaring 256% in Q1. Now, I present another strong performance by APSEZ in Q1 FY27. Revenue and EBITDA both grew 19% year-on-year to rupees 10,821 crore and rupees 6,541 crore respectively. Let's first talk about ports. Our domestic ports business remained a strong growth engine, delivering double-digit growth while maintaining an industry-leading EBITDA margin of 74%. This performance comes even as we execute India's largest private port capacity expansion program, increasing capacity from 653 million metric ton today to 1 billion metric ton by 2030. Our international ports are emerging as a significant growth engine. International ports delivered record revenue of rupees 1,747 crores, up 80% year-on-year, while EBITDA surged 256% year-on-year, driven by the addition of NQXT Australia operations and ramp-up of the CWIT Sri Lanka terminal. Cargo volumes nearly tripled to 22.8 million metric ton from 7.7 million metric ton a year ago. The increasing contribution from higher margin NQXT Australia and CWIT Sri Lanka resulted in a sharp improvement in EBITDA margins to 41.8% compared to 21.1% a year ago. In logistics, our focus on scaling asset-light businesses is delivering results. Truck revenue grew 26% year-on-year. International freight network revenue rose 28% sequentially. Return on capital employed improved from 6% to 10% in FY26, and as asset-light offerings scale further, returns will continue to strengthen. In our marine business, revenue increased 67% to rupees 901 crore and is making strong progress internationally, with revenue from vessels operating in international waters significantly exceeding domestic marine revenues. Recent milestones include our partnership with Oceaneering International to strengthen deep water engineering and offshore capabilities in Europe, as well as a landmark 10-year contract supporting Argentina's LNG export program. In line with our leadership in sustainability, APSEZ became the first Indian transport company to publish a task force on nature-related financial disclosures (TNFD) report, reinforcing our commitment to nature-positive growth. Despite a challenging macroeconomic environment, APSEZ continues to deliver strong growth, underscoring the resilience of our strategy and execution. We remain firmly on track to more than double revenue, EBITDA, and cash flows by FY31. Our scale is integrated across 11,000 kilometers of Indian coastal line and covering 95% of hinterland with growing international presence. Our business excellence is driven by technology, lean organization, and partnership. And the most important, which is our balance sheet capacity to fund the growth. I will take this opportunity to thank all our stakeholders for their continued trust and partnership on this journey. Thank you.